Welcome to the Children's Museum. Here you can explore 12 permanent galleries open all year long. Each one is always ready for hands-on interactive fun. The Children's Museum is home to the last original Eaton's Fairytale Vignettes, displayed from the 9th floor annex of Eaton's downtown store. You can see the Fairytale Vignettes for yourself from mid-November until mid-January. And admission to the exhibition is free with general admission to the museum. Finding the vignettes is easy. Simply follow the star trail or signs. Good job! You've located the vignettes. Now it's time to explore. There are 15 fun fairy tale vignettes that make up this exhibition. In front of each glass case is a storybook. Here you can read the fairy tale that goes along with each display. On each case, there's a green button. When you press that button, the vignettes will begin to move. Once the vignettes are done moving, you've finished reading the fairy tale, and you can move on to the next story. After you've experienced all 15 fairy tales, you can exit the exhibition and return to the main galleries. For more information on Eaton's Fairytale Vignettes or to learn more about the Explorabilities Access Program, visit childrensmuseum.com.